In this video, we will be learning about kinds of reflexes. Reflexes can be classified into two categories. One is cerebral reflex, also known as cranial reflex. Second is the spinal reflex. Cerebral reflexes are involuntary responses, use brainstem as the integrating center, that is medulla oblongata. They receive sensory information through cranial nerves and generate the response without the involvement of conscious decision making of cerebrum part of the brain. Now examples include blinking of eye, dilation and contraction of pupils of eye in response to bright light or dim light or fluctuating light intensity, swallowing, coughing, sneezing, etc. Second is the spinal reflex, which is the spinal cord which acts as the integrating center. Example include knee jerk response, withdrawal of hand or leg on touching a hot object, etc. Now, reflexes can also be classified into two other categories depending on their nature. One is unconditional reflex, second is the conditioned reflex. Unconditional reflexes are inborn or inherited. That means they are given or they are shown in an organism without any previous experience or learning or judgment. Example include blinking of eyelid in response to sudden approach of an object near the eye, closing of eyelid in response to strong beam of light, coughing reflex when swallowing food if it enters the windpipe or trachea, sneezing reflex when an irritant enters the nose, peristaltic reflex to allow movement of chyme, that is food, through the intestine. Now, knee jerk is also an example for unconditional reflex. So, you hit a object near the patella region, patella bone, the knee will jerk, that is the leg will move forward without any thinking process. So knee jerk response, when a sharp tap is made below the kneecap in a relaxed leg, the leg will move up, that is a unconditional reflex. Withdrawal of hand or leg when suddenly touching a hot object or pricked by some pointed object. Next is the conditional or acquired reflexes. As the term says, it is conditioned over the period of time. So one learns a thing by experience and gradually responds to it unconsciously without the involvement of conscious decision. These reflexes are not inborn and therefore termed as acquired, as we acquire over a period of time. Example include playing a musical instrument, working on keyboard of a computer, applying brakes suddenly while driving a cycle, scooter or car on finding an obstacle, watering of mouth on seeing some tasty food, etc. Now, if we summarize how the unconditional and conditional reflexes are different, unconditional are inborn or inherited reflexes without any previous experience. It is similar in all human beings, in all the individuals of a species. Conditioned are acquired by learning or by experience. It may differ from one individual to another depending on the learning experience. Unconditional reflexes are directly related to the stimulus. No reflex without a stimulus. Conditional reflex is brought about by conditioning, may be totally different from the initial stimulus. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you.